everyone and welcome to today's video. I am so glad you could make it. Today I'm going to be doing a huge spring Sephora haul. If this is your first time ever seeing me, then hello, I'm so happy to have you. My name is Kenzie. I make a lot of videos about luxury handbags, luxury fashion, travel, jewelry, mostly handbags. I like those a lot, but today we do have a Sephora haul. If any of that sounds fun to you, if you like the idea, then I would ask you to consider click the subscribe button and give this video a like and ding a little bell down there so you're notified every time I upload. And you guys, without any further ado, let's get on into the video. So yes, hi, hello everyone. How are you doing today? I thought since we are now in March, which is basically spring, that I would do a Sephora haul of some things that I picked up a couple days ago. All of these are new products, or at least they are new to me. So if you want to see all the things that I got, and I did use them on my face today to do my makeup, I will tell you how I thought about it, my first impressions, all that good stuff. So if you'd like to see all of that, then just keep watching. Alrighty, so I did do like a delivery, like a next day delivery. So I said what I wanted, and then someone either like went to go pick it up and then bring it to my house. That's how I did it the other day. So I have quite a few things in here to go over with you guys. So the first thing I am going to pull out here is this Milk Makeup Hydro Grip Gel Tint. Now, I have not used anything from Milk Makeup in a very long time. The last thing that I used from them, their liquid bronzer, which I didn't like that much, so I stopped using it, but I still have it. And then of course I remember that they had the gripping primer. My skin is too dry for that, so I don't really ever use the gripping primer, but this, I wanted to try a new like skin tint, just kind of see how I got on with it, because again, we are getting into spring summer. Summer's kind of far off, but we are into spring kind of. When that season happens, spring, summer, I typically like to use a little bit of a lighter foundation, tinted moisturizer, just lighter coverage stuff. So I picked this up and I did use this today, and I got mine in the shade 6. I did like this. I don't really have too many complaints. I will have to continue to use it just to see how I like it, because I don't think it looks bad. It was still kind of thick, like it wasn't very watery like you would imagine a skin tint to be. It was still kind of thick, and as I was like kind of putting it on, I could tell it was like covering my pores. Like it really was covering, which is really nice. I like that. I do think that it looks good now, but when I first put it on, I wasn't sure because I was worried that it was gonna look too dry, but as it like settled down, it ended up being fine. I will tell you one thing, I love this packaging. I love the bright blue with the green. I'm obsessed with this, so love that. And usually when I do tinted moisturizers or anything super light coverage, I like to do like one shade darker than I would normally go. So that's why I got a 6. I probably could have done like a 5 or something, but I like the 6. Next up for concealer, I did finally get my hands on the NARS Radiant Creamy Concealer. I think I was meant to get the Natasha Denona concealer because that's the one that I hear about all the time, and every time I go to check the Natasha Denona concealer, it's always sold out. So I got this, but it was a mistake that I got this, but I am glad that I did because I did try this today and I really liked this concealer. It was really easy to blend. It wasn't like super duper thick or anything, but here is what the packaging looks like, and I got mine in the shade Light 2.5 Creme Brulee. I don't know. Here's what it looks like, and I actually got a perfect shade. Like I used this today, perfect shade. So happy that I got this shade. I did a really good job. Pats to myself. Here is this, and yeah, I thought this was really nice, really easy to blend, it looked really good on, so I am excited to continue to try this out. For bronzer and blush, I did repurchase these 2 items from Charlotte Tilbury. I use the Hollywood Contour Wand because I keep seeing other girlies like on TikTok and stuff use this, and I have used this before, but I wasn't like super impressed or anything. So I did try it again, and I think I understand how to use it now. I used my beauty blender this time to blend it out, and I think it looked really good. So I got this in the shade medium, so it's just like the regular one, I believe. So it's just like the regular color. And here is what it looks like. Of course, And again, I did use it today and I do think that it looks pretty good on. I am pleasantly surprised that I ended up liking this finally because I feel like everyone raves about the contour wand. The other thing is the Pillow Talk Matte Blush. Now, I do remember having this and I remember this being too dark for me. Not really, but there's another one called like Pink Pop or Pink something, which I did use and I liked more than this color. But it's been so long that I forgot which one it was. So I did get the Pillow Talk one again. And I do think it's still too dark. Like, I don't know. I usually use like a more pinky kind of blush. I don't know. But this one's more on like the darker pink, kind of mauve side. So you tell me if you think it looks good, because I don't know. And I can't tell. So you let me know if you think this looks good on me, because you can see. Alrighty, for brows, I got this. Now, I did not like this, unfortunately. I know Kathleen Lights said that she loved this product. I don't know what I am doing wrong, but I did not like this. Maybe I need a darker color. I got the shade 3.5 Neutral Medium Brown, so maybe I just need to get a darker shade. But it's one of these, and it's from Benefit. That's the packaging. And then here is what this looks like. And it's one of those pins that have like the 3 little claws or whatever, 3 little lines. And you're supposed to be able to create like brush, like hair. And the only reason why I don't like this is because no product gets to the end. Like you can see the ends are like white. So there's like no product at the end, and the end is where you need the product to be so you can do the lines on your brows. And I don't want to be having to like shake this down a million times, but there's literally no product on the end of this. I don't know if I got a bad one, and it's impossible to do your brows with this. I want to be able to use the very tip and go like that and go up. I don't want to use the flat end and have to put it like that in order to, no. So this was definitely a fail. I still did it, but I think my brows look like shit today, so did not like this, unfortunately. Again, maybe I just need a darker color. Also didn't think it was dark enough, but that's just me. And then for mascara, I got this new mascara. It's the Lash Idole. I don't know, but it's the Lancome one, and this one had like 10,000 reviews on Sephora, which was crazy, and I did use this today and I liked it. I thought it was really nice. It kind of gives the same vibe as my Monsieur Big mascara, so I don't think that this one is better than my Monsieur Big. I think the Monsieur Big is still really good. Is it better than like Rare Beauty? Because I think the Rare Beauty mascara is also very good. Maybe, I'm not sure. I think they're all relatively the same, but I did like it. I did think it was nice. I am a little confused on how to use the wand. Like, do I do it like this? Do I do it like this? I have no idea how to hold it. I guess I do it like this. So I was a little confused on how to hold the wand to get like maximum coverage, but I did figure it out, and I do think that my lashes look pretty good today, so I'm not too mad about this. Let me know in the comments if you've tried this mascara or if you have another one that you like more and I could try it out as well. And then the rest of the products that I have in here, I did not use on my face today because either I just didn't have a need to, like I had already basically with all these products, I did my entire face. So here are just the other things that I got. So I wanted to try, 'cause again, spring, summer's rolling around. So I wanted to try the Isle of Paradise Sunny Serum. And it's kind of like the Drunk Elephant Glow Drops. It's kind of like an instant face tanner, face bronzer. So let me know if you've tried this. I've heard a lot of good and bad things from Isle of Paradise. I just know they have a lot of products. So let me know if you've used this and how you get on with it. Next, I have this. I can't tell if this is considered skincare or what. It says it's a tinted serum, but it's also kind of like a blush. So this is from Glow Recipe. It is the Watermelon Glow Niacinamide Dewy Flush. It just says it's a flush, not a blush. and you're supposed to use it after your skincare routine. So I imagine they mean after your skincare routine in the morning. Because why would you put this on that's gonna give your cheeks color? Why would you put this on when you're getting ready for bed and you do your skincare routine at night? I don't know. So let me know in the comments if you've used this, because I feel kind of stupid. But it does look really pretty. It's very small, it looks like that. I love the color of it. And then you have this big kind of doe foot applicator. And it's really sheer. I did a swatch of this. It's really pretty. This is why I'm so confused and I can't tell if it's like an actual blush. And it's really pretty though. I imagine you could use this as blush. I don't know, I guess I will try it. I could use it the next time I do my makeup, and I could just use it as a blush to see if that works. And if that doesn't work, then I can try it when I do my skincare in the morning. So like maybe tomorrow when I wake up, do my skincare, I can put this on and try it that way. But yeah, let me know if you've used this, because it looks very pretty. I'm just confused on how to use it. Last things in here are basically all lip products. So we have 2 Summer Fridays products here. So, oh, it looks like a little watermelon. Oh my God, that's so cute. So I have a restock of my mint one, the green one, because I use this one nearly every single night when I finish my skincare, and I wear this to bed, and it's just really nice. So it is the Summer Fridays Lip Butter Balm, of course. And I just love the mint one. And it's also clear. That's why I use it when I go to bed, because it's clear. And then this one is their newest one. I guess they re-released this, or if it's a new shade, I'm not sure. But it is the Birthday Cake shade. And this one is very pretty. I love the packaging, but I think this one has little glitters in it as well. I think it's like a very sheer, very sheer pink. And then it has little glitters. Very pretty. So I got these 2, and then I was able to get one of the new Laneige Glaze Craze tinted lip serums. And this one is in the color Cinnamon Sugar. I wanted to get the one that was coral, like a peachy coral, but they were out. But here is what the packaging looks like on this. And this is like their new one. So it has the like donut looking applicator, which I think is so cute and so fun. So this is why it's like going viral, because it has this like round kind of donut looking applicator, and it's so cute. Like, I love that. And I also like the shade of this a lot. So I definitely want to go back and see if I can find the peach one at some point, because I think that one would look so cute. But I do like this. I have used this just over the past couple of days while I've had this makeup, and I like it. I think it's nice, and it's really moisturizing, so very happy with this. And then the last 2 things I got are from Lawless, and both of these are the Forget the Filler Lip Plumping Line Smoothing Gloss. Everything has such a long name now. I guess they have to like hit all of the buzzwords. But here are the unicartons. I actually needed a restock of my favorite one. I use the shade Velvet like every day. Like whenever I film, I use this shade. That's what I have on my lips today, is the Velvet shade. So I had to get a restock of this one, and it just comes like a frosted glass type of container. And then this one is called Daisy Pink, and it's a very sheer pink, which I thought would look really cute if I don't have any makeup on, or if I have something very light on, and if I just wanted a really nice sheer color. I thought this would be really pretty. So that's what that looks like. Again, it looks pretty pigmented when you look at it like this, but it's not. I've swatched it and it's very sheer. So yeah, guys, that has been all of my Sephora things. Let me know in the comments if you have used any of these products that I talked about today. Let me know how you got on with them, if you liked them, if you didn't like them, or just leave me a comment down below telling me anything, because I'm nosy and I want to know that. But you guys, thank you so much for watching this video today. I really hope that you did enjoy it. If you did, then go ahead and click up the like button for me and subscribe if you want to. And be sure to ding the little bell down there so you're notified every time I upload. And you guys, I'll see you in the next video. Bye!